Performance Lab of California is a motion capture lab used for improving human movement. In fitness right now, we have a problem. Last year alone, we spent over $50 billion in back pain. And along with that, 70% of the ACL injuries that occurred happened from a non-contact movement. We believe we have the solution. What makes the Performance Lab so unique is the ability to capture movements fast. We use markerless cameras, so there is no setup time. Just walk into our system, T-pose, then start your analysis.
The analysis consists of 16 different movements that measure your movement kinetics, kinematics, and proprioception. We test basic movements such as an overhead squat, a lunge, and balancing on one leg.
The best thing about the Performance Lab is the fact that this technology really isn't available in too many places. You just have to show up and run through the tests, and it shows you exactly what you need to know.
One unique tool we provide is our playback feature. Immediately after any capture, we can play it back at any angle or at any speed.
We can capture any movement in seconds. So analyzing a sport-specific activity, your gait technique, or an Olympic lift has never been easier and more valuable to athletes, trainers, coaches, therapists, and doctors.
Everyone says you know more about your body, but really you don't know everything that you could know. You just know that something hurts, but you don't know exactly why it hurts. But coming here, I learned why it hurts. I have a lot of tension in certain areas. I'm not as flexible in certain areas, and so being able to work on that will move my game to the next level.
While reviewing the playback, your movements are being uploaded onto the Dari Vault, where your 7-page report is being generated. This is where the science lies. The report breaks down your movements into joint angles, graphs, and charts. This tells us your muscle utilization, force production, and range of motion, all objectively.
We even give you an automatically generated page that tells you about your performance and areas to improve.
My clients and I regularly come in here for assessments. I am able to gain a few benefits to my business directly through the assessments I get with the Performance Lab. Most important to me actually is injury prevention. I like to reduce client turnover and make sure my clients feel comfortable with me during their sessions. I also get a leg up on my competition by learning these injury prevention techniques and corrective exercises that I throw into workouts on a day-to-day basis.
In CrossFit, we do a lot of power cleans, a lot of lifts, and one day during the workout, I was doing a lot of power cleans and ended up tweaking my back, giving myself a pretty dramatic lower back injury. So I went to the PLC, got my assessment, and we went over our movements to make sure that injury like that wouldn't happen again.